Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. I don't know about you, but winter is definitely not my favorite season. I'm super excited to soon welcome the spring, and for that reason I'm bringing you 3 new DIY projects. 3 ideas which will add touch of the new season and brighten up your home. So without any further ado, let's get right into the first project. For my new painting, I will use old canvas which was already painted. I covered the old painting with 2 layers of white acrylic paint. Background of my new art will be something between pink and peach color. I mix red, yellow and white to achieve this. I really like mixing paints together to achieve new colors. The only problem is that usually I do too big patch of it. I always worry that I won't have enough and prefer to do more of it, especially when I do all proportions by eye and it might be hard to recreate. With the white brush I cover the whole canvas board. This design was actually inspired by the cushion cover from H&M. As a painting, it will be a great addition to my kitchen. Something colorful and bright. With the white color, I paint the shape of the lemon together with the leaves. For the better coverage, I will do it twice. Once this part is done, I take yellow color and paint the lemons. I like this kind of modern and abstract print, so as a painting it looks even better. And the last step are the leaves. When it's dry, I put it back to its old wooden frame. I like contrast of modern art and a more traditional vintage frame. To create decorative cotton stems, I will be using cotton wool balls. You can also use cotton roll and that might be even better. I'm using one ball to make one ball from the cotton branch. I unwrap it and slightly tear to the sides, making it bigger and fluffier. I fold it into 3 and tap from the sides, giving it a round shape. It is a ball shape again, but bigger and fluffier. I take thread and wrap it around the cotton wool, once horizontally and once vertically. I pull it so it gives the wool a characteristic cotton ball shape. I make few of them following the same technique. For the leaves part, which surround the cotton ball, I'm using thin craft paper. It's more like a brown grease-proof paper which you can use for baking. To save you time, cut few square shapes at the same time. Then fold them twice. The closed corner of the paper stays untouched. I cut it from the opposite side, creating like a leaf shape. Using hot glue, I attach the cotton part to the paper. Grab few stems from outside. Now is a good time as most of the trees don't have the leaves. And with the hot glue, I randomly attach my new cotton balls to the empty stems. For my next project, I've decided to change the look of this thrifted vase. A red color is actually trendy for 2023, however I'm not that keen on it. Never was and I don't think I will. I like the simple shape of this vase, so for that reason I bought it. Green is also a trendy color, so let's paint the vase in it. I'm using acrylic paint and with the white brush I covered the whole vase. I like that it comes out matte. There is a lot of painting in this video, but recently I found it very relaxing. With thin round paintbrush I start painting the pattern. Very simple, organic looking flowers and leaves. Something what looks good but doesn't necessarily require a lot of artistic skills. I put quite thick layer of the paint and in some places I even go twice with it. Between the flowers and leaves I add small dots to fill up the space. I hope you enjoyed today's projects. If you did, make sure to click the like button. It means a lot to me. Let me know in the comment section which idea was your favorite and if you are looking forward to the spring season. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you won't miss any of my future uploads. And for now, thank you so much for watching, your support, and I will see you in my next video.